In Bonray, where craftsmanship meets innovation, precision is not just a word, it's a commitment. Our journey of excellence in metalwork begins with precision. Each iron sheet is accurately pressed, ensuring the finest fitness for our BBQ tables. Detail is everything. Our expert welders collaborate to fit each metal piece together. Our tight-fit welding approach ensures minimal seams. We guarantee not only aesthetic beauty, but also unyielding strength, making every product a testament to perfection. Witness the art of argon arc welding up close, where precision and skill converge to ensure the sturdiest of joins. Each weld, each strike, speaks volumes of our dedication to quality, making sure that what you receive stands the test of time. Rigorous quality checks ensure that our tables not only meet, but exceed expectations. It's this diligence that has earned us the trust of our valued clients. Our customized BBQ table is not just a piece of metal. It's a fusion of functionality and elegance. Whether it's for grilling or serving, it stands as a symbol of quality from Bonray.